So, wie mache ich das? Einfach so oder soll ich mir
Wir haben hier so einen Ticker mit 18 Minuten, also zwei sind immer noch zusätzlich Frage.
Okay, cool. Das ist ja cool.
Du kannst Mikro benutzen, kannst es auch sein lassen.
Hört ihr mich denn ganz gut da hinten? Meine Stimme ist okay? Alles klar, super.
Englisch, Deutsch kannst du auch selber aussuchen.
Haben wir Englischsprachige, die kein Deutsch können? Okay. Könnt ihr alle Englisch, hoffentlich? Ja? Okay, I will have it for you in English, no problem, it's okay.
I can go to another one.
No. No, I didn't want to discriminate. But because if we had all German speakers, I would have been, I guess, fair to them to say, okay, I'll do it in German. But if we have it, we're international. It's the School of Finance. This is it. Welcome, by the way. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm Pascal. I'm from CoinAnalyst. I'm the CEO and founder. I'm actually originally from Darmstadt, so I'm an Italo-German Darmstädter. And I'm glad to be here today. My background, actually, I'm an economist, and I did only computer science as a minor. Of my times, Pascal was the first computer language I learned. When you studied, Pascal was the first language, so that was my first language. And basically, in the last 7 years, I've been actually focused in AI-based big data analytics with a specialization in text mining. Sorry for the buzzword bingo. What it means really is that I understand to handle big volume of text and try to find out of text the insights. That has been my profession, my specialty the last 7 years. With CoinAnalyst, we try to create basically the Bloomberg of the crypto and ICO scene. And I always like to call it also the Volksbloomberg. Volks means people's Bloomberg because we want to make it accessible. Because Bloomberg terminals are expensive. Bitcoin. This is our marketing vehicle for the blockchain and cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin. Who in this room has acquired already or bought a Bitcoin? All right. I should have asked who's not in it. Maybe I should ask who has something else besides crypto, like some fancy cryptocurrencies. Yeah? Right, all right, okay, cool. You guys are all my potential customers, by the way, so let's talk afterwards. Thank you very much. Bitcoin is here to stay. Even the big institutionals like Goldman Sachs have opened up a coin desk, a cryptocurrency coin desk, trading desk, since December. JP Morgan, very famous, with his claim that Bitcoin is a fraud. Now he's kind of regretting it, right? So the institutionals are getting it. The people are living it. We already have 10 million plus crypto traders. So you guys, you're part of that 10 million number. That's just out of the West. I'm not counting the Asians. 10 million plus, and a market cap of about 500 billion. I just, roughly. It's varying. Every day we have 100,000 new registered customers just with Coinbase, traders, every day. Kraken has 50,000 new traders per day. So we are saying by the summer we'll have 20 million traders. Okay. However, 99% of those in future 20 million traders by this summer, are just normal people. And they spend and have a lot of issues being able to oversee all those cryptocurrencies. So we have over 1,500 cryptocurrencies already. It's going to grow. It's going to grow crazy. On top of that, it takes a lot of time to find information for this. Actually, I have a friend. He kind of he had a nervous breakdown on it because he couldn't relax, because having to find all these volatile information, because these cryptocurrencies are extremely volatile, and he could not relax, and he says, I'm just getting a nervous breakdown. And other friends of mine, they just can't, they just hated that they're losing so much time, so they were like complaining. This is actually the birth of this whole project, happened to be that I was hanging out with my buddies, and they were complaining and telling me all these problems that they have, but told me also how much money they're making. So I said, you know what, guys, I could help you. And out of this, CoinAnalyst came up. And it's a spin-off from Kogia, which is actually my original company, doing big data analytics. And the funny part is that this part is not just only volatile, but it's extremely sensitive to rumors and any type of news, right? If you just remember the day when you go for lunch, you come back and then you find out China decided to get out of the cryptocurrencies. Bang, 50%, boom, gone after 1 hour. You know, it's just nuts, right? But be honest, we all want to be part of the game, because where can we get more than 1x or double-digit percentage return on our money? And the money is lying down. We have, we want to put our money somewhere. The savings account is just not lucrative, and so we want to keep a bit to the speculative market. So we all want to be part of this game. And I have to admit, I'm also now part of this game, right? So I thought, okay, let's be part of this game, but let's solve a little bit the problems that this game brings with it. This complexity, this intransparency. So we said, let's create a Bloomberg of the crypto scene, but accessible for everybody. And key thing, this product, metaphorically speaking, is supposed to bring transparency. We want to provide you transparency, provide you comprehensive and up-to-date, near real-time information about all the currencies that you are following, that you're interested in, ICOs that you want to find out more about. Just to give you an example, transparency. In Bulgaria, a lady did a Ponzi scheme, crypto ICO. She raised 100 million. And anyways, if you had done you call it open source intelligence, you would have researched her. She's actually already searched for under the German law. Germany is already looking for her, and she's known as a fraud artist, right? That's what I mean with transparency. So you can have a look at the people who are behind those projects, and give you also transparency there. And this is what we try to do. And this base for this whole, to provide you this product, we already have an MVP, right? Is our AI-based big data analytics platform that is able to catch all the news on social media, regular news. On top of that, we also are able to catch you data from Telegram groups, as long as they are open. And I need to know the name of the Telegram groups. And I purposely showed you this picture over there. Just to make it more clear, kind of highlighted this thing. BOP is a cryptocurrency, and this is actually for real. Right now, there's a pump and dump happening, and they're trying to push this cryptocurrency to 2,450%. 13,000 members. I will show you later if you want. I'll show you the group that does it. And you know what? This is the kind of information that I want to give to you as well. I want to help you because utility tokens and this whole cryptocurrency space is not regulated. This stuff is legal. Guess what? The groups call themselves Supreme Pumps. I mean, how obvious. It's like, I'm going to Supreme Pumps. This is just one group. So if people then miss the bus and see, just looking chart technique, and they don't know, they're not part of that group, and they think, hey, this thing is going to grow everybody. The sheep the dumb sheep that they're not part of the group, come in, and then these guys sell. And it's going to, that's a dump now, after the pump, the dump, and it's going to fall like a hot potato. This is the kind of stuff also I want to help. And the purpose here is, I believe in the technology of blockchain. I think blockchain is a revolution. Actually, also, as an economist point of view, I'm totally excited about the possibilities that this technology is going to bring. So with a product like this, what we try to do is, by providing transparency, I hope you will have less losses. And you will put money into real projects with real cool people, and then this reputation won't be suffering as much, right? That's the idea, basically. So our business model is based on a 20 euro per month, but the euros have to be paid in our token. We're going to have our own token. So it will be tied on the exchanges to a value of 20 euros. So per month we have a professional package, and we will have also a package for the corporates. The experience and success that we bring is based on our Kogia experience. This is because this is the technology that we have. The biggest customers that we fulfill right now is BMW and Volkswagen, for example. We have a strong team. We have our products and servers in Germany, so under German law and German data protection laws. We have a patented technology, for our search algorithm already, and we managed to win already some DAX companies as customers. The founding team, I think, that we got together to build the spin-off from Kogia is very unique. We try to have, every one of us is different. So Ram, for example, our CFO, He's an investment banker that stayed in Hong Kong for over 10 years. He understands finance. He's been a successful investment banker, very international, and we want to do this international. I want to be a German product, but an international solution, an international offer. Simon comes from FAZ. Why? Because I needed somebody who understands mass market selling of information. Who understands that? I mean, obviously, a person from FAZ understands how to sell information like that. Tobias is our super geek. He's a techie, but also the crypto nerd. Actually, he was the main first guy that got me into this. And he's going to bring amazing ideas how to improve our product. We will look for many interesting signals. And myself, as I already presented myself, I'm enjoying to be part of this amazing vision that we plan to do. So the roadmap of our ICO is planned. Right now we are going to start soon our private sale. So feel free to come and talk to me afterwards. The pre-ICO is on April 15th and our ICO is on May 15th. We have strong partners already. Legally, because legal is a big issue, we chose a big law firm, so we're working together with Taylor Wessing. And on the technology side, we're working together with DeFi. DeFi is is more known in the financial space, but these are 800 to 900 mathematicians and physicians that study physics, right? Not physicians and health. And these guys are very good. They have a proven track record, and I'm glad that we won them for us as our token economy partner to realize the token part. Out of the 15 biggest ICOs worldwide, the last, just 5 out of them just came out of the last quarter. So I think there has never been a better time to do an ICO. So thank you very much. If you have further questions about Kobia, that's, I would be happy to answer any questions. So that's it already. All right, thank you. Any questions?